welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be starting today by working on this deck right here, which we had set up for the summer, but now summer is over and we're about to go into winter. So I'm putting away the furniture that we have out here. The plan is to keep the deck nice and empty, with the exception of just the barbecue, which we are going to be leaving out here covered, but everything is going into the garage. And the big thing that I have planned for today's video is actually cleaning up the garage, because believe it or not, it's gotten a little out of hand since the last time we did major decluttering. And so what we're doing today, believe it or not, is recluttering. Have you ever heard of that? Does anyone ever reclutter? Well, stick around and I'll talk a little bit more about that when we get to the garage portion.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
So as you may know by now, I really don't have a green thumb. Okay, so when I set up the back deck at the beginning of summer, I just looked for plants that are not perennials, so I knew that they weren't going to grow back, and so if they died, they just weren't going to grow back. So that's the option I went for these plants, and surely enough, they did not last as long as I would have liked. Why? Because I don't have a green thumb and I didn't take care of them the way that they needed to be taken care of. Yeah, that's why I'm now throwing them out. And next summer, I'll have to just get some new plants.
Good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
And now we're moving on to the garage, which I had decluttered earlier on in the summer, but as you can see here, it got a little bit messy again, because we didn't really maintain what we had organized. But more than that, as I was also decluttering my house, some things I just couldn't get rid of because I felt like I wasn't ready to let go of them, so they ended up in the garage here. And the other part is I had intended to sell some things, and I ended up not selling them or not posting them as I should have or had planned to. So what we're doing in today's video is we're going through what I'm calling recluttering of the house, which isn't really recluttering. What it is I'm going through, and anything that I feel cannot last in this garage over the winter, like this box right here, which is falling apart, which had some glass in it. I have to bring it back into the house and I have to put them back because these are items that I just don't want to get rid of. I'm keeping them, and so they just can't be in the garage. So I'm putting them back in the house. It's not really recluttering of the house in the true sense of the word, but we are bringing them back into the house because I just need them in the house, or because they can't stay in the garage over the winter.
The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me. some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. We got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got.
I should mention that a big motivation for doing the work here today was that we were looking for our Christmas tree, our little artificial Christmas tree, which was in a bin in the garage. That's all I knew. I wasn't sure which bin, I wasn't sure where exactly it was safe. I just knew it was in the garage and it was in a bin. And so I was kind of looking through as I was cleaning and organizing to see if we could find the Christmas tree. And of course, the kids are excited. And so that's their motivation for helping me here today, to see if we could find the Christmas tree so that we can set it up. And so, of course, when I finally found it, we had to do a little dance, a little celebration.
Myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, 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 we got that young love, that young love. 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 Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings. Are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music.
So this is not necessarily the safest way to stack these chairs up, and I don't even know if I can reach them next year when I want to bring them out, but I wanted to make sure that I had access. First of all, when Christmas is over, the Christmas tree has to be able to go back there, so I need that pathway. So I think when we do that, I'll be able to unstack a couple of the chairs and put them down. But also here we have this bin right here which has some of our shoes that I don't want to bring in the house right now, and a few other items that I'm thinking whether or not we want to be able to bring them in the house or not. So I just want to be able to access them easily for now. So this is sort of the reasoning for why everything is stacked in this corner. And then my plan is over here, there's the bikes and stuff. I know some people gave some great advice to hang them up, which I will do hopefully next summer. But for now, I'll keep them to the side, but then I just want room here to be able to put our winter stuff. So that's what I have left to do in the garage for now.
I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones that healing.
And that is pretty much it for the garage. Before I show you what it now looks like, I just wanted to share with you that these are some of the boxes that I brought in. Some glassware, some things that I need to hang back up, our Christmas tree, a few things for the bathroom. But yeah, that's it. And this is what the garage now looks like, guys. All of our winter stuff are in the front. The summer stuff are off to the right or in the back. I moved our trash cans, our recycling bins a little bit closer to the door. They're a little bit more accessible that way, especially in the winter when it's really cold. We don't want to walk all the way through the garage if we don't have to. And of course, access to these items in the back here in case I need to in the summer. And then we have these stacked chairs, which currently this is how they're stacked, but hopefully we'll fix that if we have to. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm happy with it for now. Our winter stuff, I think we're ready. If we get snow tomorrow, we'll be able to just shovel. What do you guys think? I think it looks much better than before, right? Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you were able to clean and organize along with me. I hope to see you next time. Bye.